stents which cannot be easily removed with routine cleaning process can go ahead with the dental bleaching. अभी अगर बहुत हार्ड पुराने स्टेंस है टोबैको के, स्मोकिंग के, जो क्लीनिंग से नहीं निकलते हैं, उसको ब्लीचिंग से ही निकालना पड़ता है. When child is there in mother's womb in pregnancy, if mother takes some kind of antibiotics like tetracyclines, if she suffers through rubella or high fever, and if she takes some other medications which hamper the tooth development process of the child might get some deformities in the process of teeth development. But nowadays that can also be prevented. Post bleaching we should apply the fluoride gels and fluoride application. If it is done, then the sensitivity also can get reduced.
Hello everyone, my name is Christine Zedek and welcome back to our channel Dental Talks with Dr. Snehal Dhatrak, specially powered by My Oral Care Private Limited. Now, in today's world, we have all this happening, the jazz, the lights, the blitz, the glitz, right? Selfies, social media, name it. We all are always conscious, the beauty conscious. And why? Because it all leads to that smile, that dazzling smile, because that's what gets everyone's attention. And it also adds to your self-esteem. So today's topic is about that white dazzling smile. How do those people out there, when you look at celebrities, how do they have that white dazzling smile? We're going to be talking about teeth whitening or teeth bleaching. So doctor, tell us the difference between teeth cleaning and teeth whitening.
Yes, definitely, Christine. This is the most common question where patients get confused between teeth cleaning and teeth whitening. But these two are totally different procedures in dentistry. So teeth whitening, we called it as a bleaching process, and teeth cleaning is something different, in which we just clean the tartar which is present at the gum line, at the junction of teeth and gum. So in cleaning process, which we advise to do it once in a year, we clean the tartar present on the teeth and some part of the extrinsic stents like tea coffee stents. सो क्लीनिंग में सिर्फ टार्टर रिमूव किया जाता है, प्लाक का लेयर, कैलकुलस, जो हार्ड डिपॉजिट्स है वो. और अगर माइल्ड स्टेन्स जैसे टी कॉफ़ी के स्टेन्स होते हैं वो क्लीनिंग में निकल जाते हैं. माइल्ड स्टेन्स ऑफ टोबैको कैन ऑल्सो बी रिमूव्ड इन द क्लीनिंग. बट डेंटल ब्लीचिंग एंड टीथ वाइटनिंग इज़ अ टोटली डिफरेंट प्रोसीजर. सो उसमें आपके दांतों का शेड चेंज किया जा सकता है. लाइक इफ यू आर नॉट हैप्पी विद द एग्जिस्टिंग शेड ऑफ योर टीथ, so we can make it brighter, whiter. That is the process where we called it as a teeth whitening or teeth bleaching. So first understand which patients are suitable for dental bleaching or which one should go ahead with the dental bleaching and teeth whitening process. So stents which cannot be easily removed with routine cleaning process can go ahead with the dental bleaching. अभी अगर बहुत हार्ड पुराने स्टेंस है टोबैको के, स्मोकिंग के, जो क्लीनिंग से नहीं निकलते हैं, उसको ब्लीचिंग से ही निकालना पड़ता है. इफ़ देयर आर एक्सटेंसिंग स्टेंस which are very long rooted since childhood, that can also be taken to the milder level in dental bleaching or teeth whitening. Apart from that, few stents which are congenitally present, like there are some congenital defects which occur in teeth formation. So that time few stents are there in the teeth which cannot be removed even in bleaching. So in such a cases, teeth whitening and bleaching, it doesn't work so well. So when child is there in mother's womb in pregnancy, if mother takes some kind of antibiotics like tetracyclines, if she suffers through rubella or high fever, and if she takes some other medications which hamper the tooth development process of the child might get some deformities in the process of teeth development. So that time child gets some intrinsic stents जो दांत में पहले से ही आते हैं. So we called it as a amelogenesis imperfecta or dentigenesis imperfecta. These are medical terms for that. Fluoride stents. So fluoride stents can be lighter in bleaching but cannot be completely removed most of the time. So fluoride stents आते हैं because of high percentage of fluoride in drinking water. So there are some places. So it is a local or regional thing. There are some places in India or other countries कि वहाँ फ्लोराइड का कंटेंट बहुत हाई होता है, सो उसकी वजह से भी दांतों पे फ्लोराइड स्टेंस आते हैं. सो ब्लीचिंग से वो लाइटर किए जा सकते हैं. अगर दांत बहुत ज़्यादा येलोइश है तो उसको वाइट किया जा सकता है. ब्लीचिंग का जो प्रोसेस होता है वो केमिकल बेस्ड प्रोसेस होता है. इसमें हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड और कार्बामाइड पेरोक्साइड ये जेल यूज़ किए जाते हैं. डेंटिस्ट आपको जब आप इसका प्लान्ड विजिट होता है ब्लीचिंग का, सो डेंटिस्ट आपको बुलाते हैं. आपके गम्स को इससे प्रोटेक्ट किया जाता है विद द जिंजाइवल बैरियर, क्योंकि ये अगर ये ब्लीचिंग एजेंट गम्स के कांटेक्ट में आए तो इट माइट कॉज इरिटेशन. सो डेंटिस्ट हैज़ टू कवर गम्स विद द ब्लू कलर जिंजाइवल प्रोटेक्टिंग एजेंट. Then they apply this bleaching gel on your teeth surface. Then they keep it for 15-20 minutes. One cycle is done. Then they will show you the shade. If you feel you want more brighter and whiter shade, in the same sitting they repeat 2 or 3 cycles. But again, the teeth whitening or bleaching lasts only for 1 year.
Oh.
It doesn't last long forever. So you have to repeat the thing once in a year, twice in a year, as and when required. Apart from this, as I said, the intrinsic stents cannot be removed in bleaching. Then how to hide these kind of stents?
Right.
Then the best option for this to go ahead with the laminates or veneers, where you can permanently hide these stents. So veneer is a ceramic shell, as we had discussed in our dental cosmetics. So it's a thin ceramic shell made up of force needle, which is placed on top of your teeth, and it is customizedly made by the dentist by taking measurements. So placing veneers and laminates and composite fillings can hide the intrinsic congenitally present stents of your teeth. Again, post bleaching there is a mild sensitivity for 2 or 3 days, but nowadays that can also be prevented. Post bleaching we should apply the fluoride gels and fluoride application. If it is done, then the sensitivity also can get reduced. But I highly recommend that if you have to go ahead with the teeth whitening or bleaching, you should get it done from the dental professionals rather than using home bleaching kits. Nowadays there are multiple bleaching kits available into the market.
Correct.
But it's really doubtful how safe they are, and it's a acid based process. So if you overuse it, it may harm your teeth.
Wow. I mean, so many people don't know this.
Don't know
In fact, this I think is something that should be done with supervision.
Supervision.
You can't take it lightly, right?
It
because
has
one
to
wrong move in timing or something in terms of measurement, it could actually ruin. Yeah.
Yes. So there is one nature's secrets. So there is a strong connection between skin complexion and color of your teeth.
That's interesting.
Yeah. Fairer the skin, yellowish are teeth. Darker the skin, वाइटर आर द टीथ. मतलब आपका अगर स्किन का कलर बहुत फेयर है, आप बहुत फेयर हो, तो दांतों का कलर स्लाइट येलोइश रहता है.
अच्छा.
एंड इफ यू सी US यूरोपियन पीपल, यू विल फाइंड देयर टीथ वेरी येलोइश, ऐसे येलोइश चेंज रहता है. यू गो टू साउथ, आप केरला जाओ, अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज में,
Africa, I was just going to say that, yeah.
So उनकी स्किन का कलर बहुत डार्क रहता है. Their teeth are bright white. So there is no specific science behind it, but it's a study-based analysis that there is a relation between skin complexion and color of your teeth.
That's such an interesting fact.
Yes, yes. But people feel that why my teeth are yellow. So they don't understand that it is related to your skin complexion.
Got
and
that.
rather than going for bleaching again and again, we should more focus on teeth cleaning and oral hygiene.
Got that. But what I really liked in what you shared, and I think everybody out there, especially pregnant women, they have to get full information about their health and what medicines they're taking from their doctors, because you just don't know what could affect the child.
Yes.
So I think that is a very valid point.
Yes.
Like you said, even what you take in could affect their teeth, the child's teeth.
Yes, yes.
So it is so important.
Self-medication is always dangerous. So you should take the medication under doctor's supervision,
Right.
especially in case pregnancies, because it may hamper child's dental health sometimes. If negligence can give results like that.
All right, everybody, I hope you really enjoyed today's session because it was all about the secret ingredient to that white, dazzling smile that the celebrities have. You know exactly what you want to do: teeth bleaching or teeth whitening. है ना? All right, so if you like this, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel because that's what's going to get everybody with that awareness of what we are sharing on dental health and hygiene. All right, so thank you so much for staying with us. Keep watching. And doctor, please end with your favorite words of wisdom.
Thank you, Christine. Definitely. Remember that your smile is precious to us. Don't do anything under negligence. Keep smiling, keep dazzling.